kid had actually painted this friggin' intercooler white, so I just painted it black. Now I'm getting ready to pretty much install my strobe lights. We'll have 2 over here and then 2 over here, and they're kind of split up so it'll even them out in the patterns. Obviously I can change the patterns and whatnot and do whatever. But yeah, those look pretty sweet. And then the hood closes and there's about that much gap between the hood and the bumper, so they'll fit perfect. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a decent spot. They're nice and hidden in there. You can't really see them too much. Honestly, I'm pointing them out right now so you can kind of see them, but I feel like it's a nice hidden little spot where, you know, straight down the road, people will see that. And these ones aren't nearly as bright as the ones that go in the rear window. But to be fair, people usually that you got to worry about are coming from the back. Obviously, you got headlights and everything on the front. I'll always have hazard lights on too. So the front isn't as much of a worry. I just wanted something. And the rears get these big bad boys. And I put them in my rear window last time on my other Silverado, so I'm probably just gonna do that as well, but these things hurt to look at. So those gotta go somewhere in the rear window. Probably just gonna do like right here in the corners on each side. And then, yeah, and then they're totally visible from way far back. And the rears are done. So the button's right there, slap them on. Don't mind all the trash in the bed, I'm getting to it. But there you go, nice and bright. I can also change the patterns if I want, but I kind of like those. your flat? So the water and fuel light came on the truck, so I went to the water separator, took off the little loosity thing, and I went to tighten it and friggin' snap clean off. So I guess I'm going to Advanced Auto now to get another water separator for the truck, because that's not right. Freaking bullcrap. So O'Reilly said they got another one and they'll just warranty it out for me, which I'm actually pretty happy with that, so I don't have to buy another one. But the truck won't even run now because it's not building pressure. I think that's the issue. I don't know, but the truck shut off while I was idling and now it won't run. So I gotta borrow my girlfriend's car and go to Wyndham. I'm gonna take it off and we have retrieved the product. Freaking, it's not a very good brand, I guess, anyway. It's freaking Wix, so I don't know. Probably have to just order some cat ones here in the summer, but for now, I would like it to last at least a month. New one is on, so time to prime it. It's all primed. So now we basically just got to try to get it to start. Might crank for a couple seconds, honestly, now, because there could be air in the rest of the lines, but we'll see. Yep, there we go. Came out of it. Still says water and fuel though, I don't like that. I'm honestly thinking that I got bad fuel at the gas station last night, so I'm gonna probably just put even more in it to try to even it out.